Hello everyone, Diane Gordon, London Living Real Estate, your real estate professional. Just listed 434 Baker Street in the heart of Old South, just minutes to Wortley Village. This charming gem features 2 bedrooms, 1.5 bath, new flooring throughout, a bright, sunny living room, dining room combination, cheery kitchen with ample cupboard space. Lower level is ready to finish. Laundry, and the additional 2-piece bath downstairs. Please won't you join me at my open house this coming Saturday and Sunday, February 5th and 6th from 2 to 4 p.m. So put this at the top of your list. 434 Baker Street, asking only $449.9. I look forward to seeing you this weekend. Diane Gordon, London Living Real Estate, 519-902-0867. Or shoot me an email, dg@llre.ca. You can always check our website out to see the link to the virtual tour. Bye for now.